Hello, boobies! What? Hello. Hello, Mike. What are you doing to crocodiles? That little guy right there goes to monkey. I want to no, monkey! Crocodiles are bad. Are very, very bad. Are you seeing my eyes or what? I'm glad the crocodile is fine. No, shh. The crocodiles are a dangerous species, Mokey. Hello, mate. What is that? We're taking care of crocodiles, mate. That's an alligator. No, it's a crocodile. Are you blind? Are you a dumbass? That's an alligator. I'm a crocodile, baby. Oh, well, excuse me. I am sorry. Fight! I'm calling the police! 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 What's wrong, ma'am? What's wrong? There's a crocodile in the street! Tell it! Ma'am, I ain't a dumbass. That's an alligator. Yeah, come on, it's an alligator. What? I'm an alligator. No! Be funny, huh? Well, now you're gonna be dead! That's it, ma'am. You're under arrest. Oh, look inside. I gotta go. I got a lot of work. I gotta do a lot of work. I finally win. Who are you? I am Australia, baby. And I don't care. No, you bastard! I'm gonna kill all of you! Oh! You silly boys! High five! What I mean, monkeys? Crush! I finally got the crystal coconut crush! I can make my dreams come true!